Hey guys, welcome back to the studio vlog. It is week 2, which I'm so excited. I am so excited to be doing this. I hope you liked last week's vlog. If you haven't already and you haven't watched it, I'll leave a link down below for you guys to see it, and I'll leave a card. I can't remember if it's this way or this way. I think it is this way. I'm not 100% sure. I'll have to play this and remember for next time. So basically, I hope you enjoyed the first studio vlog that I did. I'm hoping to be able to do these weekly, so we'll see how we get on. Today was my first day back at my full-time job, so I have less time to actually work on PAPERIE during the week, and then the weekends tend to be my busiest days, because during the week, I kind of come up with like a to-do list and then go all out on Saturday and work like mad hog. So basically, I hope you don't mind. I look a bit sweaty, and I look a bit like sunburnt, and my makeup's kind of gone because it's after 5, it's after work, and I've actually got sunburn all over my forehead and my nose, so that might peel at some time throughout this week or next week most of the time, because we went to the pool yesterday and it was really nice, but got sunburned, which is great. Like, look at my hand. Look at that sunburn. Amazing, right? So yeah. So basically today what I'm going to be focusing on is getting the calendar up on my Etsy shop. So maybe get that on pre-order and see how it goes. So people can order. There'll be a small amount that I'll just kind of get out every so often. So I won't get them out all at once. I'll just get a couple out and then just keep on re-adding them as I prepare them and print them. So that'll be a bit easier for me. My poster run is Tuesday, which is tomorrow, and Saturday. I don't know why I just forgot about that, but it's Tuesday and Saturday. So basically any pen orders I had over the weekend, which you would have seen in the first vlog, are actually going out tomorrow, which are, I've got a couple of planners that I need to package and get going. And then I also have an order, I think I got an order today, but I'm not going to do that straight away because I have a 24-hour cancellation policy, and I had a lot of cancellations last week. I think I had about 2, because obviously there were certain things I couldn't do, and I just messaged them to let them know, and then they wanted to cancel the order altogether. So I decided to just do a 24-hour cancellation policy, and I personally won't start your order until the 24-hour has passed. So I'll make sure you have enough time just in case you want to cancel any orders, and I wouldn't have started it because sometimes, you know, if you start something and then you have to cancel it and then you have something just waiting there you can't use, is not the greatest. So that's what's going to be happening this week. So apart from that, there are a couple of things which I want to kind of do this week, but you guys will see as we go along the week, and then probably Saturday you'll see the main bulk. So I'll check in with you guys in the next clip, and yeah, I really hope you enjoyed this vlog and the studio vlog, and I hope you guys are enjoying these. So yeah, see you guys in the next clip. Hey y'all, it is Wednesday, so I'm actually filming before I go to work. It is quite early in the morning. I just wanted to sit down and talk to you guys. Yesterday I did not film anything because after work I had to go shopping because today's my mom's birthday, and we're actually doing her a surprise barbecue at my sister's house. So we have everyone helping in. We have my dad trying to get her in the car to actually take her over to my sister's. He had come up with an excuse because the restaurant they were actually going to was in walking distance, so my mom was quite adamant on saying that we'll just walk it down rather than getting in the car. So I have no idea how that's going to go out. I hope that we do well, and I hope we manage to get her in the car and off to my sister's place. I don't know how it's going to work, but yeah, so that's my mom's surprise party for tonight. We'll see how it goes. But other than that, as you would have seen in the last clip, I was actually getting these up in the Etsy shop, and they are now up and ready for you guys to buy it and purchase. So the calendar is up. So this is the 2020 calendar. This is probably a really good gift for Christmas or gift ideas. Anyone who likes beauty, who likes to like keep tabs or whatever on the monthly calendar. I have a lot of friends of mine who like calendars, so I'm actually going to gift some to some of my friends as well. And also I got a freebie out, which is something that's going to go with the calendar. So this is just a small freebie calendar that's going to go with the orders, and this will be free with each and every order. Just something small that I wanted to include. It actually is going to be a very busy week, so I'm not going to be filming much today and tomorrow. Probably not. Am I going to be filming tomorrow? I might film tomorrow. I might film some snippets tomorrow, Friday and Saturday, definitely. Sunday I might get something out in the morning. I have some orders that I need to do. Other than that, there's a lot of products that I want to work on, but I don't want to overwhelm myself and not get anything done, because I tend to procrastinate and nothing gets done. I have a lot of planners, ideas that I want to get out, but again, I just want to take it easy and work on one thing at a time. What I'll definitely say is there'll be some notepads, A4, A5 and A6 eventually. I'm just working on some of the designs. I found a supplier and a manufacturer who can get them done for me and stuff like that, so we'll see how I'm going to work that out. Also, I need to get some, what else do I need to get? Some planners, some new planners. I really want to work on some new planners. My most popular one is the appointment planner, so I might come up with a new design for an appointment planner. I think that would be really fun and something that I would work on throughout the weeks to come. I'll probably show you guys that as well once it's up. And also I want to work on some Christmas gifts, so that's another thing I want to work on eventually. I need to plan ahead, obviously, and if there's anything I need to get done, and outsource my designs and then have them ready made, I have to work on that as well. So you guys will see that obviously in the coming weeks, but I'm really excited. So I'm gonna end this vlog now, this part here, because I need to go to work and I can't keep yapping. But yeah, I just wanted to hop on here because I don't think there'll be anything physically, another clip throughout the day, but I probably have a clip tomorrow, maybe doing the orders that I have pending and stuff like that. So thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next clip. Bye. It is another day, so today is trying to get some orders done today. I've got some orders I need to get done. I've got some pending in my shop currently. I've got some planners, some greeting cards that I need to send off to some clients. Basically, as you can see from this vlog, being back at work tends to put a toll on her PAPERIE. Not a lot of things get done during the week, because after work I'll have Ryan here playing his Fortnite, which takes up this area, especially this area where I am at the moment. There will be TV, that will be him sitting down, headphones on, and there's not a lot of stuff that I can really do unless I'm editing, designing and doing all sorts. So he tends to take up this area space, which for me is a downer because this is my room, and when he comes over to play it is a bit of a nightmare. So basically yesterday I did not have time whatsoever to do anything because he came over quite early after work, and then Wednesday was my mum's surprise birthday party, which went very well. I was very happy with it, but again I didn't do anything to do with her PAPERIE. But today is Friday. We're actually on half days with work during August, which is great, so I have more time to spend on her PAPERIE, even though the last couple of days I've been really shattered and worn out, especially when you're driving around in the sun and in the heat and then coming back to continue working. It can be a bit of a toll, and I just haven't been really in it. I've been sleeping a lot, which is ridiculous and annoying, but yeah, when you're out and about in the sun with my kind of workload, it is sometimes tiring. So basically today's Friday. What I've done, I've uploaded my first studio vlog. So my first studio vlog is actually live. I'll leave a link down below and for you guys to see that, so that's really exciting. I was so happy to get that done. I actually uploaded it on Wednesday, but then I had to re-upload it on Thursday because there was a bit of a glitch that I noticed, so I literally took it off and re-uploaded it the next day. Today is Friday. I've got a beauty video going up today, so I'm really happy to be back in the spirits to get that done as well. So basically it is not easy running a blog, a YouTube channel and a business all at once, and a full-time job. So yeah, okay, so and a life and planning a wedding and getting a house done. Let's just not go into the amount of stuff that I get on throughout the week and every day. So basically today is Friday. I have 2 hours before we're going out to eat. It is Friday, it's a nice day, so rather than staying in, we're just going out to eat quickly, eat something and come back. So basically what I'm going to get up to right now, I've got some orders, pending orders that I want to get done and hopefully get them up tomorrow, so you guys will be in with the process. Hey guys, so it is Saturday and today is basically a full-on great day. I'm just finishing up the orders from yesterday. We actually went out to eat quite earlier than before, so I did manage to get everything done. So I'm just having to do the covers and then put everything together and get these done. I'll show you guys in a little bit what they look like and what the planners came out to be. And today I'm going to be working on a couple of things. I need to plan out August. I have an Excel sheet here which gives me basically the weeks of August. I have a calendar here which I kind of write out when I have stuff going on and stuff I need to fill out and stuff like that, so I need to get that done. I actually have it in front of me. When and what videos I'm going to be planning, especially to do with PAPERIE and STEFYTALKS, so I need to plan that ahead of time so I know what to film. Normally I film on Saturday, but since I'm going out tomorrow, I'm doing my makeup tomorrow, I'm actually going to film a video for both STEFYTALKS and part of maybe the studio vlog of next week. I might start something tomorrow on that because, as you know, my studio vlogs end on the Saturday, so this is the end part of the studio vlog, as you know, because when I come on to Saturday and I finish Saturday, I will go into editing mode, get it all sorted, and then get it uploaded. So yeah, that's another thing. And then I need to film video for STEFYTALKS. I think that'll be tomorrow, as I mentioned. So I need to do a couple of things today. I need to finalize what August is going to look like. I need to see if there's any new products to be launching, if there's any new products launching, when I will be launching, so I make sure that everything's done. My hair is very, very oily and really, really horrible today, so I need to wash it. I actually have a lot of dry skin on my forehead, so I'm actually going to take this, while I'm talking to you guys, and rub it over my skin. And it's going to go a bit red, but I like using this. This is from the Body Shop. Let me see if it focuses. Can you focus? There you go. So I use the Drops of Youth. This is the Youth Concentrate, but I use the cream as well on my face, which is this. So I'm just going to do that very, very quickly because my forehead is a nightmare. I don't know if you guys can see, but I'm peeling. Great. Fabulous. Oh. The appointment books that I made and order books. So the first one was a returning customer. So this one is the Nude Striped and polished by Christina. It is the normal appointment books, so you guys can see. There you go. So that's that one. This one is actually a gift, and I think it was really pretty. So it's for a girl probably named Rihanna Jones, and I really liked the layout and everything, what she wanted to write on it. And this is the Lavender Marble. And then the last one is one for Sarah or Sarah, whatever you want to, however you pronounce it, and it's the Pink Peony, and I love it, this one. And I actually wanted to show you guys something that I decided to make free with the orders because I had some time on my hands and I was dying to do them, and I actually mentioned this in the previous studio vlog that I really wanted to make some kind of bookmark. So I printed out the same I would say the same pattern for each planner, and I've given them a bookmark each with their colour, so it kind of coordinates. So basically, let me just show you one. So this is Sarah's, and you just literally open it, and there's the slips. There you go, if you guys can see them, there you go. And you just slot them into, let me see if I can do this with one hand. Not sure if I'm seeing the holes, so let's see. There you go. So I already actually did the snippets. Just want to see, there you go. So they just snip in. There you go, and they're laminated, so it's great. And then it's just easy for you to navigate through your planner, and it's just something easy and a really nice freebie to add to, so it actually comes off, and then you can actually turn over and use it wherever you want. You can actually put it more higher up so you can see it, which is doable as well. I just thought I'm going to add that as a little freebie for all the clients that I have, and why stocks last. So it's going to be like a little freebie that I'm going to be doing for now. So I did those. I'm so excited. So I'm just going to go ahead and package these, and yeah, that is what I've been up to today. Okay, so we're at the end of this studio vlog. It wasn't as long as the first one. This week has been all over the place since it was my first week back at my full-time job, but hopefully I've got a lot of things in store coming for the next vlog. That'll be next week. So thank you for watching. Thumbs up and give it a like if you enjoyed it. Subscribe if you haven't already, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace out.